8 times.
This wasn't in the YouTube video.
We're going right. Walmart bag's already starting to rip.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah.
No, it's our first time. Oh, you said you'd never been this far before? I got you.
There's $10 in the back of the cave.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Y'all might want to take your helmets off for this. Make it a little easier.
You good?
Yeah.
You looking up?
It's pretty bendy right here.
It's a Z-bend. He's pretty contorted right now.